Welcome to RunnerTrack's CSUB's Organizational Training and Leadership Series. This module is all about organization pages on RunnerSync. Any campus organization can have a page, whether it's a student club, fraternity, sorority, or honor society, or if it's a campus department or program. We will go over the elements of an organization page and highlight specific features, but we will not go into too much detail because each of these elements has its own training video. Start by going to RunnerSync. Click the Login icon and log in. Click the icon a second time and choose Admin Dashboard. If this doesn't appear, then you don't have admin access yet. Email us at getinvolved@csub.edu and we will edit your access. This is called your dashboard. If you have any tasks pending, they will appear where the hand is. Anytime you want to get back to the RunnerSync landing page, click Student Portal in the top right corner. Hover your cursor over the icons to the left and a sidebar will open. This sidebar will take you to your organization's page, forms, events, and analytics. In the lower left, you'll see buttons for settings and support. Support will take you to a library of help topics. If there's a program update, you'll get a red counter and a What's New option. You can click it to see what changes have been made to RunnerSync. In the lower right, you'll see a chat icon. This will let you chat directly with administrators from Presence, the software that powers RunnerSync. Please use this option only as a last resort. Check the support library or check with our office first. For now, go back to the sidebar and click Create. The Create window will open, allowing you to go directly into the Create an Event and Create a Form areas without any additional page loads. You can also create a poll here, which we will discuss further in a separate module. We're not going to create anything right now, so click the X to close the window. Go back to the sidebar, click Organizations, and this page will open. You will only see the organizations for which you are an admin, not necessarily a member. Click the blue organization name to open that club's admin page. We're now at the organization's admin page. Organization admin pages have their own navigation bar right below the name of the organization. The Details page is where you maintain what the public sees on the public-facing page. If you want to edit this information, click the pencil icon in the upper right. If there is an element you want changed that you can't edit, email a request to getinvolved@csub.edu. Anytime you'd like to see the student view of your page, click View on Portal and it will open a new window that isn't in admin mode. All organizations must upload a cover photo or select one by keyword from the options available. Images can be animated, which will draw extra attention to your club page. If your club has a Facebook or Twitter page, you can put the IDs here, and the feeds from those pages will show up on your front page. A new Notes and Legacy information field has been added so outgoing officers can leave important information for incoming officers. Events are divided into upcoming events and past events. For upcoming events, you will see a 4-digit code called a PIN. This PIN is the code necessary to check in students at club events using the Checkpoint app. We cover both Checkpoint and events in detail in their respective training videos. For past events, you can see how many students were checked in at each event. The 3 dots to the far right will give you an option of downloading a list of the attendees. A list is required if you received event funding through ASI. This is your club's roster page. On this page, you'll see students that have clicked the Join button on your organization's page and are awaiting approval of their request. Below this, you'll see your list of officers, and below that, your advisor. The positions assigned to officers can only be changed by the Office of Student Involvement. If a position is wrong, email us at getinvolved@csub.edu and we'll look into it. We will go into more detail about rosters on the rosters training video later. The Documents feature is pretty simple. It lets you upload documents. Constitutions, charter letters, agendas, and minutes should always be visible to the public, but you can adjust the visibility of other documents you upload. Be warned, if a document is particularly sensitive, don't upload it here at all. Upload items in PDF format if possible. There's not a separate training video for documents because that's really all there is to know. Forms are items you create to gather information. They're helpful for elections, membership surveys, RSVP forms, and post-event feedback surveys. Forms will be covered more in the forms training video. Next to the Analytics and View on Portal tabs, there's a small arrow icon. This indicates that clicking either of those two options will open a new window. Here are a few last thoughts about your organization's RunnerSync page. Who benefits from using RunnerSync? RunnerSync is the best place for your club officers to manage everything, from events to documents to forms to membership. The more your club utilizes its RunnerSync page, the more valuable the page will become. Club members benefit by being able to track meeting times and locations, event information, download public documents, and more. Students will look through RunnerSync for clubs they might be interested in. Make sure your page is attractive and informative. The RunnerSync organizations page is like a virtual club fair that's always open. Students looking for events will benefit by being able to see them all in one place, limit the time window, or search for events by items of interest. And RunnerSync is the only software tool on campus that collects information about student participation and involvement. This is valuable information for students applying for internships, scholarships, or employment. That also makes it valuable to departments that want to track student engagement. Finally, your club should have a single person whose responsibility it is to keep your RunnerSync page up to date. Thank you for watching our RunnerTracks Officer Training and Leadership video for RunnerSync organization pages. Please return to the RunnerTracks training form, answer a few questions about this video, and submit the form. If you have questions or want more information, email us at getinvolved@csub.edu. And please watch our other RunnerTracks videos.